Mixed operations of addition and subtraction, page 10, exercise 1.6. The rule says always do addition first, which means whenever we have mixed operations of addition and subtraction, we always do addition first. So let's take a look at the first example. In this case, where we are given 92 plus 35 minus 62. If you look at the sum, addition is in the first place and subtraction is in the second place. So basically when we are going to solve the sum, it goes as it is given, like we're going to add first 92 and 35. And from the answer, we are going to subtract 62. So let's see what happens when we add 92 and 35. So 2 plus 5 is 7 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So 92 plus 35 gives us 127. Now from here we will take out 62. 7 minus 2 is 5. 12 minus 6 is 6. So 127 minus 62 gives us 65. Now this was a simple sum where we had to add first and then subtract as it was given, but still girls, remember the rule that we always do addition first when we are given addition and subtraction together. Now let us observe another example. Here we have 72 minus 50 plus 12. So subtraction in this example is given in the first place and addition is given in the second place. But we remember the rule that when addition and subtraction, they come together in as mixed operations. So we always do addition first. So how are we going to solve this sum? What are we going to do with this? Because subtraction is given first, but we have to do addition first. And we cannot add it like this and solve it. So to solve this sum, we need to rearrange it. So when we rearrange it, it becomes 72 plus 12 minus 50. So after rearranging, what have we done? We have brought addition in the first place and we have taken subtraction to the second place because our rule says that we have to add first. So when we have to add first, we need to bring addition in the first place. And when we have done that, so with it we will write rearranged, so that we know that it wasn't given in this situation or in this place. The sum was given in a different way. As you can see on the top, 72 minus 50 plus 12. We have rearranged it. We have put it in a different way where it says 72 plus 12 minus 50. Now we are going to solve as simple we have done before. First we will add and then we will subtract. So 72 plus 12 gives us 84. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So 72 plus 12 gives us 84. Now from 84, when we subtract 50, we get 34. As 4 minus 0 is 4 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So both examples are in front of you. For the first one, it was simple, like addition was given in the first place. So we simply added and then we subtracted the last number from it. But in the second example, if you can see, a subtraction was given in the first place. So we had to rearrange it. And then we did our desired operation, like addition first and then subtracting the second number from the answer. So the basic rule and the simple rule of doing these sums, mixed operations of addition and subtraction, is that we have to always do addition first. So we always add first and then we subtract. And where we have sums where we get subtraction is given first to us. So what are we going to do? We will rearrange those sums first and then we are going to add and then subtract.